Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some design trends and decorating elements that might be dating your home and how you can fix them. If you're looking to sell your home and you're trying to update it a little bit, or if you just want to spruce up your home in general, I hope this video gives you some ideas on ways that you can improve your space. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you have a fireplace insert that has that shiny brass detailing surround, it's absolutely dating your space, and it's a small little detail that you can change and quickly update to drastically make an improvement to your space. So one thing you can do without changing out the entire fireplace is just sand down the brass detailing and prime and paint it with heat-resistant paint. If you get it in black to really go with the rest of your fireplace surround, it's going to instantly modernize your fireplace. So you don't have to actually take anything out. You don't have to replace any parts. All you have to do is use heat resistant paint and you'll get an instant improvement in that space. The fireplace is usually the main focal point. So if your main focal point is dated, it's gonna throw off your entire design and really make the entire space look dated. Usually there's just one or two strips of this brass, and I know it's such a small thing, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. So I highly recommend taking on this little project. You can do this probably within an hour. It's super quick and easy. Just by blacking it out, it will then work with any style fireplace or room design that you plan to do. I'll leave some of my favorite heat resistant paints linked down below in the description box if you're looking to make this change in your space. If you're living in a home that was built in the 80s or 90s, you most likely have wall niches and wall cutouts. This was such a huge thing at that time, and now when you walk into a home that has those elements, it instantly looks dated no matter what new flooring, what new paint color, and what gorgeous furniture you have. The wall niches and wall cutouts are so dramatic and impactful that they're really hard to get around unless you smooth them out and actually fill them in. Maybe you have so many in your home that would turn into a very large renovation, but if you just have the little curved wall niches around your space, just go ahead and hang a large piece of art over that wall niche so you don't see it anymore. You can decorate around it. Just use it as an opportunity to create a decorative element. It's an easy, affordable, temporary fix that you can use to really just update the look of that space. Now, there's always some kind of window treatment that's dating your space, and I think one very popular one that actually serves no purpose is the decorative valances. If you just have a decorative valance in your kitchen or bathroom and it's not serving any purpose for privacy or light control, then I would say it's time to take that down because it's absolutely dating your space. If you're trying to update your space, this is actually one of the easiest things you can do because it's just removal of the valance and you'll have an instant update. Valances were considered a very popular window detail, but now I think you'd be better off just taking it off completely and going for a bare window look or installing some modern Roman shades. They're super minimal. You kind of get the same effect with that top layer of fabric, but it's way less busy and definitely gives off more of a modern look. Now, if you're planning any renovation around your home that incorporates millwork and cabinetry, like a kitchen, a bathroom, or laundry room, I would really take time to consider what kind of installation you want, because there are 3 different types of cabinet installations that you can choose from, and one of them really dates your home. So I suggest doing one of the other 2. So my favorite and the most popular right now is inset cabinets. These are fully flush. They give off a very elegant, timeless, but modern look at the same time, and they show a lot of detail and they're just gorgeous. This shows both your cabinet door fronts and your boxes. There's also full overlay cabinets that completely cover your cabinet boxes, so all you really do see is your cabinet door front. This is a very common, popular choice. It definitely looks great. You get a flush look in a different way, and it actually takes away a little bit more detail to the kitchen and really brings out the focus on those door fronts. Then there's this in-between option that I think dates a kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. Anywhere where there's cabinetry, this installation style just instantly dates it. This is called standard overlay, and it half covers your cabinet inserts, it half shows it, and to me, I think it looks a little bit messy and way less custom. So if you're going for a more custom look in your kitchen without doing a full customized kitchen, you should definitely choose inset or full overlay. Standard overlay is definitely a thing of the past, and it's not something that people are choosing when they're updating their space. That is something that they're actually removing and going for another option. Now, when it comes to picking tile for your bathroom, your shower wall, or even your kitchen backsplash, There was a time where the thing to do was to pick 2 different tiles. There'd be your main tile and then this accent tile that you could use for trim and creating patterns. I would stay away from the accent tile now. I don't think there's a point in really creating these patterns that are gonna just date your home the next year. I think stick to one tile option and go all out with just that one tile. I wouldn't be doing the special trim tile that's a different color, different texture, completely different look. It's just going to add a dated feature. So I would absolutely stay away from that if you're renovating any of those spaces. All right, I know not everyone's gonna agree with this one, but themed nurseries are a thing of the past now. I think at the time it was the bigger the theme, the better. Then it actually leaves you with a space that's not easily transitionable to an older age. So now design for nurseries is actually thinking about longevity and how you can make that one design last for years instead of going full clown theme, full Superman theme. Those things don't last forever, especially with kids. So with growing kids, I would say choose a more timeless design style, something that's still playful and fun with beautiful colors, but less themed items. And it's gonna save you from buying and changing that room multiple times. I would say nurseries are really aiming in the direction of neutral color palettes, lighter toned down color palettes that are a little bit more relaxing and less harsh and bright, and elegant timeless pieces in those spaces. Obviously, everything can be painted and changed as time goes on, but if you have those core elements in your space that are timeless, it's gonna give you a lot more years with your existing pieces. So let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts on nurseries are. Are you someone that's all for the themed nurseries, or are you someone that wants longevity in that space and to try and create a timeless look? Now, if you have a kitchen that looks like this, and it may be a galley kitchen, it may be a U-shaped kitchen, and you have those upper cabinets above your peninsula that are kind of hanging and creating a barrier between 2 spaces, those upper cabinets need to go. They are absolutely dating your space, and they're not the best design choice. I think they really block views, they block conversation and light, and they add this bulkiness and dated feature in your home that you don't need. Of course, there's so many changes that you can make to a kitchen to update the look of it, but you can keep all of your existing dated features in your kitchen, but take down that overhead peninsula cabinetry and it will instantly update and open up and brighten up your home. I think that's one change that's super important, and if you walked into a home that had that, that would be the first thing that you would say, we're taking this down. So it won't just impact your kitchen, it will impact the room beside it as well, and really open up and brighten up your home. Now, something you should never do in your kitchen, if you're planning a large or small kitchen renovation or refresh, is install your microwave above your range. It is such an eyesore, and a microwave is never gonna be the thing you wanna look at right when you walk into your kitchen. This was an installation that was very popular before. We took our microwaves from being on the countertop and put them above the range thinking that was a better solution. And yeah, at the time it was the modern thing to do. Now it's just not something we wanna be looking at in a beautiful kitchen. So I would suggest if you're using a microwave in your kitchen, you should plan for it to be installed in your lower cabinets where you can't see it, behind your island, or maybe you're incorporating an appliance garage that you can hide it away in. A microwave isn't something you want to have out on display in your kitchen, so if there's any way to hide it in any of your cabinetry, that would be my suggestion. If you're going for a high-end designer look in your kitchen, this is something I would absolutely consider doing. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can improve your space. Let me know down below in the comments if you also have any of these design details in your home, and if you plan on making any changes to them. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!